Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of automobiles. If you're a car enthusiast, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special. An icon reborn. We're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a legendary classic making its way into the modern era with a brand new design, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that will leave you speechless. For those unfamiliar with the Karmann Ghia, this was one of Volkswagen's most stylish and elegant cars, produced from the 1950S to the 1970S. It was a blend of German engineering and Italian design, offering a sleek, sporty look while maintaining the reliability of a Volkswagen. Now, after decades, Volkswagen is bringing this legend back to life, and trust me, this new model is going to turn heads everywhere. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Karmann Ghia is its design. Volkswagen has stayed true to the original's curvy and smooth aesthetic while modernizing it for today's market. The front end carries a retro-futuristic look with slim LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the bodywork, reminiscent of the old model's rounded front. The signature front grille is minimalistic, just like the original, but now incorporates active aerodynamics for better efficiency. The hood features subtle creases, giving it a sculpted aerodynamic feel, while the overall stance of the car remains low and sporty. Moving along the sides, you can see the designers have retained the classic flowing lines that made the original Karmann Ghia so elegant. The car sits on 19-inch alloy wheels with an optional 21-inch setup for those who want an even more aggressive stance. The side mirrors are sleek, almost hidden within the design, and the flush door handles add to the car's clean, uninterrupted look. One of the coolest touches is the rear fender, which has a slight bulge just like the original model, giving it that vintage sports car appeal. At the rear, things get even more interesting. The taillights are slim, fully LED, and stretch across the width of the car, much like Volkswagen's ID series. The rear bumper has a modern diffuser integrated into the design, and there's a subtle ducktail-style rear spoiler that not only looks great but improves aerodynamics. Unlike the classic model, the new Karmann Ghia features an active rear wing that adjusts at higher speeds for improved stability. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers two powertrain options, one fully electric and one hybrid. The electric version comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, producing around 400 horsepower. It features Volkswagen's latest battery technology, providing a range of approximately 350 miles on a full charge. Thanks to fast charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes, making it a practical choice for both city driving and long road trips. For those who prefer a mix of gasoline and electric power, the hybrid variant is equally impressive. It combines a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing around 350 horsepower. This version features a plug-in hybrid system, allowing up to 50 miles of pure electric driving before the gasoline engine kicks in. The hybrid setup also enhances performance, delivering instant torque and a 0-60 mph time of just under 5 seconds. Let's talk interior. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin that beautifully blends classic aesthetics with modern technology. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, featuring a fully digital 12-inch driver's display and a 15-inch central touchscreen with Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. The interface is intuitive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even AI-powered voice commands. The steering wheel has a retro-inspired two-spoke design, giving a nod to the past while incorporating modern controls. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, wrapped in sustainable leather alternatives with optional Alcantara inserts. Volkswagen has also introduced customizable ambient lighting, allowing you to set the mood inside the cabin with over 30 color options. One of the most exciting features of the new Karmann Ghia is its driving dynamics. Volkswagen has engineered this car to be more than just a stylish cruiser, it's a proper driver's car. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement in the EV version, ensures excellent handling. The adaptive suspension allows for a smooth ride when cruising, but tightens up when you switch to sport mode. The steering is precise, giving you full control whether you're navigating city streets or attacking winding mountain roads. Safety and technology are also top-notch. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes equipped with Volkswagen's latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. The car also features a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and an advanced collision avoidance system to keep you safe on the road. Customization is a big part of what makes this car special. Volkswagen offers a wide range of exterior color options, including classic shades inspired by the original Karmann Ghia, such as pastel blues, vibrant reds, and deep greens. There are also multiple trim packages, including a performance-oriented GT version with a sportier suspension setup and unique interior details. Pricing for the 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to start around $50,000 for the base hybrid model, while the fully electric version could go up to $65,000 depending on options. While it's not the cheapest Volkswagen on the market, it offers a unique blend of heritage, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a worthy investment for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The question now is, will the 2026 Karmann Ghia live up to its legendary name? From what we've seen so far, Volkswagen has done an incredible job of reviving this icon while making it relevant for the modern era. It's a car that pays homage to its past while embracing the future, and that's something truly special. What do you think about the all-new Karmann Ghia? Would you prefer the hybrid or the electric version? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your channel name for more exciting automotive content. We've got plenty of amazing car reviews, deep dives, and industry news coming your way, so stay tuned. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the daily drives and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and tell us what you think about this modern revival of a classic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe driving, everyone!